Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share my October Simon Says Stamp card kit with you guys, and this is the Thankful Flowers kit. I just got my kit in the mail yesterday, so I did want to do this unboxing and just kind of show you guys what all came in the kit for this month. And this one, like I said, is the Thankful Flowers kit, and it always comes with like a design inspiration sheet that also gives you a list of all the products that you're going to get in your kit. I love this sheet. It's really helpful for the kit. Anyway, I'm not going to make this a very long video, but I'm just going to go through the things in the kit. First off, the kit came with these Tim Holtz mini snips scissors, and it says these scissors are resistant to rust and corrosion, high durability, titanium coated blades, micro serrated edge for controlled cutting. And I don't own any of the Tim Holtz scissors, but I always hear good stuff about these scissors, so I'm glad that I got this little pair to try out. I think this will be a great pair of scissors to use for fussy cutting. So I was really excited to get this in the kit, so that's that. And then there's 3 envelopes that came in this kit, and these are Simon Says Stamp envelopes, and you get metallic gold, which is this one here, pretty metallic sheen. You also get walnut wood grain, and I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but this envelope is like lightly embossed with like a wood grain texture. And then you get the mini cream envelope, which is so cute. So those are the 3 envelopes that came with the kit. Have quite a little collection of those as well. You also get this Simon Says Stamp wafer thin die, and this is the Bold Thanks die. I'm just gonna pull it out of this little bag if I can. There we go. So this is that die right there. Awesome. It's always awesome to have like word and sentiment dies, so I'm really happy about that. And then here are the papers that came in the kit, and these are the 12 double-sided sheets of the My Mind's Eye My Heritage 6x6 papers. So I'm just gonna go through and open them up and show you guys. Really nice patterns. Oh, I really like that one. This is like a family tree one right there. Some pattern and flower. Oh, I love those flowers. Here. More flowers. More patterns here. It's just really fun papers. Alright, so those are the papers, and then for the stamp set, this is the Thankful Flowers 6x8 clear stamp set, and I just love the stamp set. I love the fact that they put a cluster of flowers together on one stamp, so you don't have to mask and put together single stamps to make a bundle or a cluster of flowers. I really like that. This is a perfect image to practice coloring. You have a bold thank you sentiment. You have this sentiment says you couldn't be more awesome. This one says you're amazing. This one says I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for everything. I am stronger with your support. Thank you. And then there's some really tiny sentiments. Just a small note of thanks. I'm beyond grateful. Your kindness will be remembered. Thank you for loving me when I need it the most. You help me be a better version of myself. I'm so grateful for your friendship, advice, and unconditional love. So just a really pretty large stamp set here. Okay, and then you get these Pebbles, a package of the Pebbles foil foam letter stickers, and I really love these. They remind me of thickers, and you can never have enough of these. You can spell out sentiments, you can personalize something with somebody's name, so these are always good to have. And then you get a pack of the Tim Holtz Ideology Metallic Craft Cardstock. And you get copper and you get rose gold. You get 2 sheets of each. So they're metallic on one side. And then the craft on the other side. Really pretty. And then you also get the Simon Says stamp, 80-pound Nina Desert cardstock. You get the 100-pound sheets of the black. You get like a chocolate brown color, and you get like a cream color. And that is everything that came in the October card kit. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Some really fun stuff, and I can't wait to create some things with this. So I'll be back with videos from this kit. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.